let's get the party started. Alright, so to solve our first question of f inverse of x, we need the f function of x to be able to do that. And remember that this f function of x can actually be written exactly as f open bracket x equal to 4x minus 3 all over 2x plus 1. This is it. And if you remember vividly how functions are formed, you will remember also that f of x can be simply replaced with the letter y. So I'm rewriting this as y is equal to 4x minus 3, divide everything by 2x plus 1. I hope you're following. Now to find the f inverse of x, the steps are simple and direct, so you listen carefully. The first thing you need to do is to make x the subject of the formula. So to make x the subject of this equation is the very first thing we are going to do. So my first step is to cross multiply, and for me to do that, I'm also expressing the left hand side as a fraction. So if I cross multiply, I will land at y multiply 2x plus 1 close the bracket is equal to 1 multiply 4x minus 3 leaves us with 4x minus 3. This is the first stage. Now I'm going to open up this bracket by multiplying each of the terms in the bracket by y. So y multiply 2x is going to give us xy plus y multiply 1 leaves us with y. This is equal to 4x minus 3. All right. Since I have arrived at this level, the next thing I'm going to do is to connect like terms together. Because I have x into xy, I'm going to take this to the right hand side. While the constant 3 or negative 3 rather is going to move to the left hand side. That's going to make it positive, obviously. So if I collect like terms together, I will arrive at y plus 3 on the left hand side is equal to 4x minus 2xy on the right hand side. Now we are progressing because the terms with x are together on the right hand side. So I'm going to factor out x on the right hand side. Therefore, leaving the left hand side as y plus 3, the right hand side is going to be x outside, open a bracket, x times 4 is 4x. So minus x times 2y is going to give us 2xy. This is where we have arrived so far. We have succeeded in factoring x outside, as you can see. So to let x stay alone, I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And in this case, the coefficient of x is what we have in the bracket, that is 4 minus 2y. Therefore, I'm dividing y plus 3 also by 4 minus 2y, as you can see here. Having done this, you would notice that the numerator and the denominator of the term on the right hand side is the same. So I cancel it out, and that leaves us with just x on the right hand side. I can keep it on the left hand side anyway. So I have x is equal to y plus 3 all over 4 minus 2y. Okay, the first step has been achieved. After making x the subject of formula, the next thing to be done to reach your final destination of looking for the f inverse of x is to change the y letter to x, while the x here changes to the f inverse of x. So I'm going to write it exactly like this. F inverse of x is now equal to, instead of writing y, I'm changing it to x, okay? So it's going to become x plus 3 all over 4 minus 2x. Sorry, 4 minus 2x, not 4 minus 2y. Give me a moment. 4 minus 2x. Yes, written as this. Exactly. So this is the answer to the first question, which is to find the f inverse of x. I hope this is clear.